Strut installation. Before antenna installation on the tower, the direction of the antenna should be determined and as a result, the assembly. For example, for this direction, the antenna can be assembled offset left or right. For this direction, it must be offset right. And for this direction, it must be offset left. For this direction, the pole must be shifted to the marked leg of the tower and the antenna should be installed offset right. Same here, the pole should be shifted to the marked leg of the tower and the antenna should be installed offset left. Make sure that the strut does not exceed the antenna manufacturer's angle limits. In this case, the manufacturer limitation is 12.5 degrees from horizontal up or down. You should also make sure not to exceed the limitation from right or left to the neutral position of the strut. The limitation here is also 12.5 degrees, but it also depends on the manufacturer's limitation, so make sure to read the installation manual supplied with the antenna. This is an example of the wrong angle for the strut to be in, and would cause the antenna to move in strong winds. Here is another example of a bad installation.